Alright, I think we're live and good. Is the mic good, everybody? All looking good, hopefully. I haven't done this on this channel in a long time, so this is gonna be fun. So the plan for today, just for you guys to be able to throw questions in the chat if you want for scripting. Otherwise, I'll just kind of hang out, talk with you guys who are putting things in the chat. It's really up to you guys. You guys, if you have scripting questions, feel free to throw those in the chat, things like that. But there's no like hard set rule for how this has to go. So I'm checking the chat real quick. The soccer twins just started scripting. That's awesome. If so, it's really a really fun journey. So yeah, I hope you are enjoying that for now. I think until we start getting some questions, probably just yeah, like I said, hang out and talk with you guys in the chat, or I mean, I guess I could make something live. um, Hi Codeberry, your voice changed so much. Yeah, I mean, I did a little bit. I watched my old videos a little bit, and they're pretty. I hate my old videos. I'm not gonna lie, they're so cringy. Every time I watch it, I'm like, yeah, like my first one. That's the one that's probably the worst. But you know, it is what it is. All right. Where do you use Blender to make models? Yes, yeah. So actually, I did start making models with Blender, which has been a lot of fun. I just started what like a month ago maybe. Well, I guess that's not true. I really started getting like focused in on it about a month ago. But I have been doing that for quite a few months. And actually, for those of you who don't know, I got into UGC, which was a lot of fun. So I've been practicing a lot for that. Because yeah, UGC is a lot of fun. So see, code basketball game. So I'm not gonna lie, that's probably too long for what I'm gonna be doing today. I'm gonna be doing like about a half an hour stream, so I'm gonna be answering as many questions as I can, but it's probably not gonna be a full game like that. Ben Dude of Fortnite says, "OMG, I'm your biggest fan, dude." Oh, thank you so much, dude. I really appreciate that. So combat system, also pretty complicated. I could maybe script like the basics, but like have you seen my combat tutorials? That might help. I'm having a hard time trying to clip the icing of the donut on Blender. Yeah, so I used to use that tutorial as well. It's actually kind of challenging what he does. I focus more on like low poly modeling, I guess. That's kind of more my style, but you know, um, if you like doing high poly, then I'd say go for it. It is definitely more challenging though. Let's see. I'm trying to think how much time this would take to code a combat system, because like I said, this is going to only be like a half an hour stream. So let me see. Animation editor. Can you make a sword game with animations? I could quickly show you how to do like a sword animation. That's not too hard. So let me go ahead and call this sword animation. Gray51 is back, says broke. Bye code bro, I need to go. No problem. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next stream. Hopefully. I don't know when the next one will be. Alright, sword animation. And then the way you would do this is you would literally just create an animation as you would without the tool. Let's just say you did. This is gonna look awful, by the way, because I'm not gonna spend like any time on this, because I'm gonna try and go through this fairly quickly. But let's just say you start like with this. Oh gosh, this is not good. Um, so you start out like that, and then you go like that, something like that. Okay, and then you paste those keyframes at the beginning. There you go. You know, that doesn't look great, but it works. So there you go. That's my animation. What you're gonna do is you're gonna set the animation priority. I'm gonna set it to action, and then publish to Roblox. I forget how this works, so give me a sec. So just that's the change from my animation editor video. It's now published to Roblox instead of export. So yeah, here I actually have to hide my screen because it's got some UGC stuff that I'm not allowed to leak. Sorry about that, guys. All right, back now. Let me put that back on. Cool, cool. Yeah, we can just call the sword animation, hit submit, copy the ID, perfect. Let's see, I know all your videos when you post more in advanced scripting. So, yeah, advanced scripting is kind of when I get a chance to. I'm hoping to start posting on that more, though, to be honest with you. Because it's really a fun series to help people, become a bit more advanced, so I'll be posting on that more, hopefully. So then what I'd do is I'd put a starter, script and starter character scripts. You could do this multiple ways. Actually, I'm going to do this a different way. We have Code Bro been using Blender for a couple of weeks, but I keep giving up. What should I do? I'd say don't give up, obviously. And I guess, hey, thank you for subscribing. I'd say, oh, Roblox Studio. Oh, yeah, that's a lot easier to answer. So I'd say, I'd just say start easier. My guess is you probably were starting a little bit more difficult. That's how I started. I tried to make like the next jailbreak, which obviously was not going to happen in a million years. Well, not maybe in a million years, but not in the first, few minutes of me trying to learn. So I'd say start easier and progress as you go. Hi, good morning. Hello, welcome to the stream. Hope you're having a good morning, everybody. So this is gonna be obviously an awful sword, but it gets the job done. So there's my sword. What you're gonna want to do is drag it into a dummy to make sure it works with the animation. You can go back into the animation editor, play it, and obviously it's not looking perfect, so we're gonna want to rescale it. Okay, and then I'm gonna actually use this tool. If you don't have tool grip editor, I would strongly suggest you get it because it's so helpful. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna do this real quick because, okay, so once you put it back in your dummy, check the animation, and if you play it, yeah, that is okay. It's obviously not perfect for a sword, but it works. And then what you want to do is, you can actually use my old tutorial to set up an animation, like the script, and what after that? You would just need to damage. I mean, you could just damage the player whenever they hit this, like a kill brick. You just want to set up a debounce. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it there because it's already been 10 minutes, and I want to get to as many questions as I can. Let's see, check the chat. I'm releasing a game named Soda Store. Can I email you to maybe test it, maybe make a video? So you could join my Discord server, and put it in there. I don't have like a business email or anything like that, so, let me go ahead and put the Discord server link in the chat real quick. If you guys want to join that. Also, sorry if I sound a bit off. It's early in the morning. I'm a bit congested, so, let me go ahead and put this there. Cool. Alright, so if you want to join that, feel free. You can put the link in the links channel, and I can check it out. I'm actually hoping to do like a video where I play all your guys' games. Would you guys find that fun? I hope that you would, because I think that'd be a lot of fun to do a full video playing your guys' games. I feel like that'd be a lot of fun. Game Kids Production says, "Hey, bro, I haven't seen your content in forever. You have been growing so fast." Yeah, thanks so much. Thank you guys all for the support. Honestly, I'm so happy with the way we've been growing, and it's all because of you. So thank you guys so much. I'm very bad at scripting. Zero idea, but maybe give me some tips because I literally have zero IQ. Yeah, it's just, it takes time. I'm gonna just say it like that. It takes a lot of time to learn to script. I've been scripting for 2, 3 maybe years, and I'm still not perfect at it. I'm a little more advanced than I was when I started, that's for sure, but not perfect at it by a long shot. You said yes, fun. You guys wanna see a video where I play your guys' games? I think that'd be a lot of fun, to be honest with you. Angel XV Lowell says, "Hi, hey, welcome to the stream. Hope you're having a great day." So I guess I could keep going with the sword scripts if there are no more questions. Oh shoot. Did we crash? No. No, we didn't. Hold on. Hey, welcome to the stream. Hope you're having a great... No? Oh, shoot. I thought we crashed. Okay. Well, it looks like we're good. All right, cool. So I guess I'll just work a little bit more on the sword script t until we are done. So what I'd do is I'd insert a script in here, as well as a local script, an animation, and a remote event. I joined, but I will like not be able to DM you. Yeah, that's no problem. I actually don't do DMs anyway, so you can send it inside of links here. Let me actually just send a quick message in the links channel. Let's see. What's your username? Could you put your username in the chat real quick? Hi, can you remake Rush from Doors? Yo, hmm. Rush from Doors. I actually have only played Doors like once, so I don't know if I know what you're talking about, to be honest. Um, yeah, let's see. Can you script a next spot? I mean, I guess I could. Sure, why not? Next spot. Let me grab this, and I'm just gonna get rid of the scripts. This is gonna be like a quick way to script it. Boom, boom. I think we got rid of all the scripts now. Dude, I wish this was all one part. Okay. Let's see. I might just keep the torso, to be honest. Nope, never mind. That got rid of, like, everything. Cool, cool. Also, scripts. Oh, so this is like an actual, character, so we could just use walk to, or move to. Let's see. Let me check the chat. Yo, your voice is so different from when I watched you. Yeah, those videos, what were they, like the beginner scripting series? That was, what, half a year ago, maybe? Ben Dev, let's see. Oh, yeah, found you. So I'm gonna ping you in the, here, I just verified you. I'm gonna ping you inside of the links channel so I can know where you should put that. Okay, I just pinged you inside of the links channel. That's where you could send it. So I'm gonna go and put a script inside of Ubunga. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set a variable, local closest player equals to nil. There are obviously different ways to do this, but you know, this might be the easiest way. And do I have a Discord server? Yes, I actually do. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pin the link actually real quick. Let's see. I'm gonna put it back there and I'll pin it. Cobra, have you heard of event blocks? I actually don't think I have. What's that exactly? Wow. So what I'm gonna do is I'll say wow, wait. Let's do this every 1 second. We'll have it move to the closest player. See, 4 icon movie in pairs. Game up players. Calling get players. So the way I'm gonna do this, so I'll just every second loop through the players, and I'll check the position of their character. So I'll say if v.character, first we want to make sure they have a character, then if v.character.primary part dot position, oh, we need a last position. So a local last position, or last magnitude, let's do last mag, local mag. So we're going to do magnitude here, which, if you don't know what that is, it's basically a quick way to calculate distance between two objects. So you take the first position, right, the character's primary part, subtract it from script.parent.primaryPart.position, okay? So you subtract it from something there, and then you write .magnitude, okay? And then I believe the smaller the magnitude, the closer they are. So let's say then, we check the chat real quick. Event Blocks is a visual scripting plugin for Roblox, which I don't mind to. Cool, I'll check it out later. I haven't done much with visual scripting because I'm personally more of a, you know, script writer with Lua. I prefer that. BBSA bro, hey, what's up, code bro? Welcome to the stream. And then, unlike, can I chat with you there and maybe we'll test the game? Yeah, we'll see what I end up doing. I am probably gonna end up doing like a I guess a video where I play all your games and I'll like let you guys know beforehand so you can join. What is primary part? Good question. So primary part can be set by you It's literally just set by the developer to be the, I guess the uh, primary part. I don't know how to explain that. The part that controls the rest of the parts in essence. So for example, I'm going to set the primary part to be the humanoid root part here, and that's what it's automatically set to for the characters. And what you can do is you can actually do something like this. You can say script.parent colon set primary part C frame, cframe.new 000, and what that's going to do it'll set the primary part. In this case, it's the humanoid root part. It's going to set its position to 000, but it'll also do that to every single part. It'll make every part in the model follow along. So that's especially helpful with primary parts. So hopefully that answers that question. Let me go ahead and quickly finish this up. We'll call this follow script. We'll say, actually what we're going to say, we're going to set this magnitude, local current mag equals that. And then we'll set this magnitude to be like a super big number. And then we'll say local last character. So the reason I'm doing this is the last character. We're going to store that and check and see if any characters are closer, and we will overwrite the last character with the new closest character. You should do a video where you learn another language of code like JavaScript or maybe C++. Yeah, so I've actually done JavaScript, HTML, CSS. I've done a little bit of C#. What else? I feel like, oh yeah, I did a little bit of Python too, but that's all I know. My main language is Lua though, so, but yeah, that could be cool to do a video on learning. Let's see, current mag, okay. So we'll just say if mag, actually if current mag is less than mag, then, so if this character is closer to the last character, then we'll say mag equals current mag because it's the current magnitude, and we'll set last character to be v.character. Okay, and then we'll go out of this loop. And at that point, we should have looped through everything, and it should have found the closest character. So at that point, what we can do is we can get the character and we can walk to it. So let me just quickly check. I believe it's humanoid move to, right? Dot move. Or is it colon move to? I can't remember at the moment. Yeah, humanoid colon move to. So we can say script dot parent dot humanoid colon move to. So that's gonna be interesting. I think I'm just gonna say move to. Yeah, I'm gonna move to the b dot character dot primary part dot position. Let's try that real quick. Don't know if that's gonna work. Let me just make sure it's actually following me. And then I'm actually gonna go ahead and only be streaming for like another 10-ish minutes. But oh yeah, look at that! Whoa! So that is following way too quickly. So as you can see, yeah, it's working. He's just a little bit fast. Let me try and fix that. All right. Let's do walk speed. Where is? So I guess that's supposed to be the walk speed. I guess they're supposed to be fast, huh? I'm just remembering that now. Let me go ahead and hit play. Let's see. It's fun watching script live and you're here in next spot. I'm glad that you're enjoying it. I think this is a lot of fun to do myself. Whoa! So, so obviously, if you were gonna make this yourself, you'd want to use pathfinding. Otherwise, they're gonna run into walls and stuff. But you know, that's like a basic next spot. I feel like it should have a little bit of a delay, maybe. So we'll have it randomly just stop. So we'll have it wait 0.1 local, no, if math.random 1 through 10 is greater than 5, then, so there's a, no, greater than 7, so if this number that we chose is 7, 8, or 9, or no, 8, 9, or 10, then we'll go ahead and give it a delay. We'll wait 3. So it just kind of pauses. That gives the players a little chance to run away. And last but not least, we're going to want to make a kill script, which is going to be super fast. But if I check this, I believe he's going to be, like, already after me. So, as you can see, there we go. He's delayed. And now he's running. He's delayed. Which, you know, ooh. So I feel like they should also have a radius they have to be a part of. So, bye, Codebro. Watch more tutorials for adventure games. See ya. Thanks for tuning into the stream. And then, let's see, what, learn Rust. To be honest, I have no desire to learn Rust, but I could. Let's see. But what if the bot needs to jump to get to the player? That is a good point. That's why you'd want to use pathfinding. So yeah, pathfinding is definitely something you'd want to use. But I'm trying to do this kind of quick, so that's why. What's poppin', Matt the Macedonian? Welcome to the stream. And RN2K, welcome to both of you to the stream. Hope you're having a great morning. So what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to check and so down here where we have the move to, if mag is less than or equal to 100, so they have to be 100 studs. Yeah, they have to be at least 100 studs or closer. Otherwise, it's not going to do anything. So let's scoot you all the way over there. You should make an event. That'd be so fun. Yeah, so actually, on that note, I'm starting to do events with my mods in my Discord server. So yeah, as you can see, I'm more than 100 studs away, so it's not going to follow me. So yeah, I'm going to be doing events in my server. So that's a reason you might want to join that. We're doing like Robux prizes, not very big, like 200 to 400 Robux for the winners. But yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. Sorry for the delay. There's quite a bit of a delay, if you guys can't tell. But yeah, what was I saying? Events. So we've started to do that over the last, I don't know, maybe a couple months, and I'm hoping to do that more and more. I think 100 studs was like too small because he can't even see me here. Let's see. Oh, no, there we go, there we go. Okay, so he paused. He should be able to see me. Yep, he's running over. Boom. So maybe 100 studs is actually fine. Am I making a game right now? Not, I mean, I guess I sort of am, but not really. I'm really just scripting the viewer's suggestions right now, but I'm only going to be doing it for another, like, 5-10 minutes. Yeah, so make sure to join the Discord server. It's pinned. The current event, let me go and check. Current event, where is it? There it is. So it's whatever you want to build in Studio, okay? And you can team up. Let's see, when does the event end? I can't remember. I'll have to check with VVSA Bro, because he's hosting it. But yeah, they're like Robux prizes like that. So yeah, we're starting to do that more and more. Hope you guys are excited for that. Let me add one more script, a kill script. Yeah, you can say ideas right now. No promises I can get to it, because this isn't going to be a long stream. Like I said, another 5-10 minutes, and then I'm going to head off. But if you have ideas, go ahead and throw them in there. So will you be testing my game? Probably not this stream, but that could be maybe the next video where I play your guys' games. So, yeah. Let's see. For IV in pairs. Scripts. Dot parent. Children do. So we're going to loop through all the parts of this next spot. Say if v colon is a base part, then v.touch. So this is just making sure it's a part. And then v.touch colon connect function. Hit. I'm going through this kind of fast because I want to get to other suggestions. If hit.parent colon parent child humanoid. Then hit.parent.humanoid health equals 0. So for those of you who don't know what's going on, this is basically just looking for the, this script, this follow script looks for the closest player, goes to them. This checks to see if any part inside the next bot was touched, then we're going to kill the player who touched it. That is essentially all it's doing. Let me move this over here. Yeah, like not a stream, but in a future video. Yes, I'm hoping to do so in a future video, so if we do that, perfect, it touches me and I die. There we go. So this next bot works. I think that is a success, and yeah, definitely a success because it's just spawn killing me now. Let's see. trying to make a row-based basketball game, but I don't know how to script, so I'm watching your vids. Yeah, so I would just say, try watching, if you haven't already, try watching, some of my, videos about advanced scripting that could help. I could send a link in my Discord server, if you need some help for, like, trajectory stuff, because that's quite advanced, but it's, you know, it's a lot of fun once you get it. So yeah, this is working. Just joined the Discord. Nice. Welcome to the Discord. Let's see. We have, how would you make an event that would cause an animation to play in-game and for the user to watch? What exactly do you mean by that? Like, I guess I'm a little confused. For the event, yeah, it's probably not gonna be, going much longer, but yes, you can make anything you want for the event, and then you'll create, just go ahead and check out the events channel in Discord, in my Discord server. That'll explain everything to you guys. Oh, I see you guys are joined. Let me go ahead and I'm gonna verify you guys real quick because I know the verification bot is annoying. There we go, there we go, there we go. Perfect. Alright, perfect. So I just verified you guys. Make a sprint to run script. Sure, why not? I think that'll probably be the last thing that I can get to today. Let's see. Who had the next bot suggestion? The king things. Okay, cool. I just wanted to make sure I'm doing somebody else's time. Alright, so shift to sprint. I'm going to put this in start a character script, a local script. We'll call this shift to sprint, actually just STS local, and then a script inside of that, STS server, and then we'll go ahead and insert a remote event, call this shift, okay? So yeah, you can have remote events everywhere. I didn't really show that in my scripting series, but you can have them wherever you want. I just typically use them in replicated storage, but in this case, it's good to have it inside of the script so that you can fire it directly for each player, if that makes sense. So putting this in starter character scripts just means that it will put the script inside of every character. Can I get mod in the chat? Probably not this time. I just don't know if I'm going to set that up right now, given that I'm only going to be doing this for like another couple minutes. So we'll say local character equals script dot parent, and we'll say local UIS, we want to get the user input service, equals game get service, user input service. So this is the service that controls how we can get inputs. So keys pressing on the keyboard, input began, increase walk speed, and input ended, put it back to normal. Yeah, essentially that's what we're going to do, but we also want to make sure it's a shift key. I tried to make menus before, but the script won't work. I don't know. You could throw your script inside of my Discord server, and I could take a look at it, if you'd like. Let's see. UIS.input began. Oops. Go and connect function. Perfect. Oh yeah, and then key. So if you don't know what I'm doing, I'm basically saying whenever a key is pressed, we're going to do this function, and then we'll check if key.keycode equals enum.keycode dot left shift. Is that what it is? Yeah, left shift. Then, so if the key that was pressed was the left shift key, then we can go and do this. We'll say script dot shift, go on fire server, true. We want to get the true in there. That just means we're firing, we're passing through a parameter saying that we did press it. Can someone tell me when the event ends? I'm trying to find. So yeah, let me actually ask. VVSA Bro is actually hosting this event. He's one of the mods and my friend. So let me ask him real quick. I'll DM him real quick. And for those of you who are like, what? You said you don't do DMs? It's because he's my friend. So let me go and check with him real fast. When is your event end? So I'll ask him, and if I don't hear by the end of the stream, I'll put up an announcement in the Discord server. Alright, so next I'll say UIS.input ended. Go and connect function. Key. Again, we want to say if key.keycode equals enum.keycode.left shift. Then, so we just basically at that point know that they are, at that point, they are no longer holding the shift key. Guys, like and subscribe. Let's make him the next step. Okay. If you guys want to subscribe, I really appreciate it. Original idea, make a pogo stick. Oh, that's interesting. I've never made a pogo stick, but you could totally do that with like velocity. Make where when you touch an NPC, he duplicates. That's an interesting idea too. Let's see. I'm not sure how. Like I said, I'm probably gonna end it after this script. But are you guys liking this stream? Would you guys enjoy it if I did another scripting your ideas live? Because that could be a lot of fun. To do it on a semi-regular basis. So next we're going to say script.shift fire server false. Okay, next we just want to, I think you can do it without a server script. Yeah, you could. I just want to make sure that it, oh, actually, you probably couldn't you? Now that I'm thinking about it, that would probably, I'm just going to go and do it this way. That's a good idea, though. I probably could do it with just a local script. So, script.parent.remote event, .shift on server event connect function. We'll go ahead and pass through the player and whether they're shifting or not. So we'll say if shift equals true, else. So this is where they're actually shifting. I'm pretty sure things like walk speed updates the server automatically. That is really good to know. Thank you for letting me know that. Yeah, actually, now that I'm thinking about it, I think that that's right. So yeah, thank you so much for letting me know. I'm gonna go through this anyway since I'm already doing it, but it's good to know for the future. Scripting is hard, not gonna lie. Yeah, it was. It was really hard for me when I started out. I just, practice makes progress, so just keep it up. Hey, Code Bro, you really helped me code. Thanks. Yeah, I hope that hope they were all helpful. Trying my best to create the tutorials that'll help you out, so I really appreciate the support, guys. So we'll just say player.character.humanoid.walk speed equals what? Maybe 20? And then what's the default? Walk speed is 16, that's what I thought, okay. So here we'll just go ahead and copy this, and we'll set it to 16. So if they're not shifting, we'll just set it to 16. That's like super simple, but hopefully it makes sense. Let's see. Okay, so if I hold shift, I actually have shift lock on right now, so that kind of doesn't help anything. Shift lock off. Let me just make sure this works. Yep, it does. Perfect. I know it's kind of hard to see, but we're getting faster and slower as I press it. I can actually make it like a lot faster. Something like 30. That'd be absolutely crazy, but we're gonna do it anyway. And I think that's gonna go ahead and be it for this stream. I'm gonna go and wrap things up. I've been streaming for a bit over a half hour, but yeah, as you can see, shift to sprint is definitely working, which is cool. I can actually run away from this next spot and have a chance of surviving. So there we go. Recently I stopped making my game and I focused on having fun and learning, and now I'm more motivated. I'm glad. Yeah, that's probably the best way to learn, is to just do things you're passionate about, even if it means pausing your game for a bit. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and end the stream there. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm hoping to do this again sometime soon. That was a lot of fun. Did you learn to code via experience and testing yourself, or did you watch videos? I actually watched a lot of videos. Alvin Blocks was certainly very much a help. So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and end things there. Thank you all for watching so much. I really appreciate it.